texture sands in the morning today. That's one of our Invest America listeners. So we got an ICP, a Goodman, and a Frigidaire. These two are it's only coming out of its pad a little bit. Yeah. The Goodman. That one, the Frigidaire turned on before I turned on my camera. Yeah, I see the fans going normally slow. Let's see if I can get that top one. The fans going slow on this. It's a forward time. Yeah, this thing turned on. Fans going super slow. I think it's a terrible. I think it's a Chinese fan motor. Chinese. That fan's going slow, dude. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah. I never seen it. I never thought of a Goodman like this. It's like a more higher end model. Let's see, we got a good compressor, man. Oh, I don't know what that compressor is. And the ICP. I'm not sure what this might be. It's like that. I didn't even know I filmed at High Point, Huntsville. And it's heat pump. It's a heat pump right there. Super side. That fridge kind of loud. I'm not sure what that compressor is. I'm glad this switcher turned on. Has two swipe wing fan blades. I like these small Goodman. They're not nice. Take that off. Look nicer. I'm glad this one turned on. It's kind of shaky. Yeah, this piece of junk, dude. It's a Frigidaire. Oh, this is kind of like a Westinghouse. Yeah, see, it's that snort iron. Yeah, but this helps has Frigidaire. And it shut it off. Only went for me a few minutes and it shut it off. Yeah, I shut on. It's two swipe wing fan blades. I'm impressed because they shut off. Those fan blades are big. Yeah, I really can't see in there. The sun is setting. Yeah, this is a trickle unit. This Goodman. It's also a heat pump like that one. I hope the Goodman or the ICP turned on. And yeah, see that it's been, well, fan was very cool. Let's pulling this out here and see if there's any more back here. There's more. Got a paint teardrop like the first paint teardrop. Well, this is like the second paint teardrop I ever filmed. A paint, that's another paint teardrop. I don't know what that is. It might be a bright Lexi one. There's another ICP right there at the bright Lexi one. There's to be new. Yeah, that ICP's running. Yeah. And there's more over here. So, alright. Who's that Frididaire's only running for a little bit next to us? Strange. Okay, over and out.